so I can focus more here. So props index, and yeah, just index and names array. So names array. That's it. Pass this port default, and there needs to be a name of the view. I'll call it array element. Oh, or child, I don't know. Array element. Well, I'll do it like child. Actually, I'll just do child. Okay, child, because array element is like it's gonna print the whole. I'm actually just knowing. Child element. Child, just put child, and then name child, and that's it. So basically, this is supposed to be, yeah, props. Now we can call the parent. We can go to the parent, which is hello world or greetings. This part we can then call child over here, or whatever we want. We can call child. This is the name of that element. We can call child, and yeah. And then child, this is a loop. It will require as a loop. It will require a, so this part I will actually just I'll post the link on the description of this Stack Overflow, how they are doing. But basically it says like for each, it's a view for loop. So for skill and index, the skill value and the index value in skills.length. So I'm gonna get the length, got a skill name and index, and this creates a mapping for us. So basically this is done. We will just go to the script right now. On scripts we will export default. We're going to create another JSON element which is called parent. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's called name. We can call this, well, what actually we want. We can call it parent. I don't like, let's just call it Shrek parent. I'll just change this because let's see if it's gonna call. So it does, I think parent is okay, but you gotta go open up component, components, and then yeah, you're gonna components, and then you're gonna get the child, and here's where you're gonna import the child. child element. So to import the child element, you can just import child from dot slash child. This needs to be right here, and export default actually needs to be right here too, so it can't be this, it needs to be here. I think so. Its default must be at the top level of a file model declaration. So yeah, we got a problem here. This is let's just call the do something like this. Let's create the parent component, new file, parent.view, and paste this over here. So we don't have to worry about this anymore. We will just worry on printing this, on printing parent. So let's just import parent from dot slash parent. So, and then right here is just like export define props. So we will remove this. Yeah, because like here you're gonna say it, okay, name, export default components, child. So this is a name and props. Anyways, component, let's do something like this. So what I'm doing is I'm searching. So import. So basically it got imported. It is imported, but something's not really happening. We're gonna hello world. Let's see where it goes. So hello world, when it imports hello world, when it imports hello world, it needs to find like see welcome item tooling icon, but this is all the welcome item. So basically no one's importing hello world. But if I import it, So yes, we got to a point that something's not good. That's part default, you know. This. Yeah, it worked. So it worked, and we can do that on here. We can remove this. So basically it worked. So like 30 minutes of video, half an hour video, and it worked. So I'll divide this, I'll divide it in two, and I'll do part two. So I'll